Hi guys, welcome back to Cedar Sky Designs. You guys want your mind blown? Check this next clip out. Alright guys, check this out. So, we got a piece of wood here that measures 3 3/8. Okay? We want to find the center of the board. I don't want to go try to find a calculator. I don't want to do any kind of crazy division. I want a quick and dirty, easy way to find true center. So, you're going to go to the next whole number. Okay? Easier to divide, so it's going to be 4. Okay? So you're going to move your tape up to 4. Okay? And you're going to mark it at 2, because 2 is half of 4. Right there. Okay? And so now, that's your true center. Quick and easy tip. So, we got 1 3/4, 1 3/4.